We decided out here, we're back in North Minneapolis. We're actually on a fucking train this time. As you can tell, it's actually a train. It goes on forever. I had to go back and get my water bottle so I can make coffee and shit like that. I already moved the dog and my gear, so I'm going back to where our shit is. We were riding in a Canadian, but they're a little cramped. So I'm moving back to a bigger ride. Fucking, it's not far. It's like 2 cars. No, we've been in that yard all day, stuck in the fucking car. So, just slept. Slept all fucking day. D, where you at, bro? What's up, buddy? This is our new ride. It's a lot bigger than the last one, so. I don't know where we're going. I don't care where we're going. I'm leaving fucking Minnesota. So we'll get back with you guys later on when we get out of here.